Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so I was just doing this video on a U0415 trouble code, and this trouble code is defined as invalid data received from anti-lock brake system control, which is the ABS brake system control. And essentially what we're going to do is we are going to talk about why you have this code, check engine light on your car, and what causes this. So essentially the ABS, the anti-brake system, keeps the wheels of your vehicle from locking up and stops the tires from slipping whenever the vehicle brakes during a panic stop. And essentially it helps you maintain control and contributes to the safety of the vehicle. Now essentially, if you have this U0415 code, it's receiving bad data from the ABS control module or no data from the ABS control module. Essentially the data is not correct for whatever the parameters are of your car's computer, what it's set up as. So essentially, the ABS control module monitors how fast each wheel spins through the ABS wheel sensor, and it essentially sends readings to the car's computer and also shares information with other modules in the computer system, or the computer systems in your vehicle. So let's talk about what actually causes this issue, what could possibly cause this issue. Well, if you have this issue, obviously you're gonna have a check engine light. Now you're probably gonna have an ABS, another code for the ABS, but you might want to look at the wires and the plug that plugs into your ABS. Now I know that's a pain in the butt, considering how some cars actually have 4 ABS sensors, some actually have 2 ABS sensors, some vehicles have 4 ABS sensors, and you might just have to check all the wiring and the plugs if you guys changed out the ABS sensor and you're not getting a problem with it. Obviously the first thing you're going to do first is to change out the ABS control module. Is that the first thing you guys would do, is to change out the ABS control module? I think in this system a lot of people are going to change out the ABS control module, the ABS sensors on the vehicle. And if you guys still having this problem, obviously you're gonna have to check the wires and the connection, but you might want to check the wire and the connections first. Obviously the sensors are for the most part sometimes in the spindle. Most part is in the spindle, and obviously it gets dirty and etc, etc. There's a little magnetic thing, there's a little magnet in the sensor that actually reads information, and those get dirty, obviously. But the module itself, if you guys do have a module, sometimes it's just one single computer hookup. But if you guys have to have a module where it hooks up to a module, you might want to check that out. But you might want to check out the sensors also, because obviously those are all interconnected. So here's what the symptoms are of this issue, but you're probably not going to even need the symptoms of this issue, considering you have a check engine light and the code tells you exactly what it is. But obviously let's go through that. You're going to have a check engine light, you're going to have problems with your ABS system. It's going to lock on you at weird times, and in some vehicles it's just going to lock your brakes, to be honest with you. In some vehicles, I had a Tahoe with ABS issues and it locked my brakes. You're gonna have your ABS light on your dash, it's gonna be illuminated, and you might have other warning lights, the skid light, the traction control light, etc, etc. Now how would you diagnose this problem? Obviously, if you guys have this code, you wouldn't need to diagnose it, because the code actually tells you exactly what it is. And obviously, if you guys are looking for a fix on this, I pretty much gave you the fixes on this. The code itself is triggered by one or more modules on the CAN bus that determine that the ABS module is sending out invalid data. And obviously this could be because of damaged wiring or poor connections, and a bad ABS control module, or faulty ABS sensors. I'm actually just restating what I stated before, but it can cause problems with your ABS. Your check engine light is going to come on, and the ABS warning light and other warning lights can also come on, like your traction light. But in any case, if you guys have a fix for this, or an odd situation where you guys changed out the ABS sensor, ABS module, and you didn't, and you still had this problem, and for whatever reason you guys had a weird fix for it, and in some cases that happens quite a bit, definitely like drop a comment in the comment section what vehicle you have, what caused your situation to be fixed, etc., etc. Might help somebody else out. But I'm hoping this video helped you guys out with your situation. If you guys like this video, definitely please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, please drop a comment. Like, any comment is good. I really don't care. If you guys want to drop a good comment or a helpful comment or anything, all right, drop a comment, please subscribe, and all that good stuff. All right guys, take care.